Okay.
We got a trailer full of hay. $75 bales of hay. And we,
Not that much.
that's a lot of hay for me.
That's a lot of hay.
That's a lot of hay for us.
But when we have
We are going to unload it and put it in the workshop. So, hard labor begins. We've already given the horses hay, so this is what's left over.
it overhangs too much, the garage door ain't gonna move. I swear there's another pallet here somewhere. Where did I see it? I saw a pallet somewhere. Hey, you're back. You know what I'm saying? We're halfway done. Because we already took out over here on this side. There's a hole. There's a hole on that side. Yeah.
Oh,
See?
okay. Here, baby.
What's up, cameraman?
Nothing, just what you want.
Hello, nurse.
I kind of gave y'all my gloves.
That's why I was trying to figure out why you gave me gloves. I don't need
just
gloves.
You should put me and Pops on the front for clickbait.
Bro, the only reason that would work now is because you're 18, so.
Is this you?
Yeah.
Right there.
It fell out my body.
You need a. You know what you need? A MRS.
What?
A MRS.
A merc?
Yeah, a MRS. What's a MRS? A man purse. Yeah, we overnighted it from Japan.
No, we did not.
Oh, you're moving. Yeah, it is. Something.
He will be here on the 5th.
Who?
The vet.
The vet? We have
Yes. We have it.
E? Oh, so it's not she.
No.
We used that female vet, and she was great.
I'm still waiting for her to contact her.
Make this look easy.
You can drop it.
You can drop it, but you're gonna.
I'm gonna move it over
right
here.
Here, just drop it down.
I'm gonna have to take a bath tonight. Honey, you gotta check me for ticks. Stop counting, just unload.
Both of you all, I was like, what?
I created the 16.
What's 4 times 2?
8.
What's 8 6?
What?
8 times 6.
No, 8 plus 6.
14.
Yeah, Pops said.
Okay, 24. Plus 12. 4 plus 6 is 26.
No, for a fact, I
56.
6.
So there should be 14, no. 19 on there. Well, 18 now. There should be 18. Let's do that. There's gonna walk in there. Yeah, what? Oh gosh. Yeah, you lift them bales, honey.
Yeah, I know. I guess when you get them round bales, I guess I'm gonna be the one pushing them, huh?
I'm not.
Honey.
Yeah.
No, guys, use your hands. Not that way. Genius. Y'all?
Finisher. Fatality. Scorpion wins. Long stick. Dun dun dun. Bring it. That's Dad.
What the heck? Don't
You
put
said
me
Dad's
about
going with
this
me?
No, I didn't say that. I said
Oh.
that's
Huh?
Would Dad be in work at the time?
Oh,
If he's not, I want him to go see how I throw the shoe just like his man. Feel me? I want to see. I want you to.
Last two.
Oh. Also, after you do.
you baby, you always have a question.
Hey. Cut! Cut! Cut!
And we're done.
Cut!
Now we gotta go pick up this hay outside. We are at our second home. We brought Prince today. Come on, Bubba. Wait. Okay, we're gonna run in here and grab our stuff. We might get more than what we need. We'll see.
One or the other or both. If you're going that fast, you know what happens? Your tires melt, or you run out of gas on a full tank. Yeah.
Hey, baby.
Or your tires pop.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Prince, come on.
Come on, bud.
Mom, come on.
I'm not getting a pull.
It's hot enough for y'all out there?
Huh?
It's hot enough for you?
It's hot.
I like the hotness.
See this?
We just unloaded
drove-
75 bales of hay. Oh, let's see what they got today. Come on, Prince. What they got? They don't. Oh, they got ducks. Oh. Okay, see them? Look at them. Can you see them? Look at them. Them ducks right there. Oh, goodness, there's only 3 of them. Oh. Leave it.
Yeah, I'm racing. Wait, where to go?
How many?
That's a good question. How much does that say?
That bull?
$30?
Oh, there it is. $30.
No, 1. What do you smell, Bubs? Okay. So this is what we got at Tractor Supply. Something bit me and it hurts. Got a bag of dog food, we got a bag of chicken scratch. Another 5-gallon bucket because Baby Rain stomped the other one. I got a chicken kit with a heat lamp, and then hubby got me an incubator. So we're gonna try and hatch some chickens. We're gonna unload this now. We're tired. Good morning, everybody. So today is Thursday. I think it's like June 29th or something, but it's been a really busy day today. I have a whole mommy to-do list of chores. So I'm going to make coffee. I'm going to let my battery charge, and then we're going to get outside and get started. Watch out, baby. Underneath you, look. Oh. First drink. Oh.
Mom, can I make some... Did you make the coffee weird?
No, I just made
You
coffee.
don't want it?
No.
Just look.
Okay, we are out and about today. We got the whole house cleaned up. Took forever. But we have some chores to do outside. We have some animal feed that we have to move from the truck and grab all the buckets and then go feed the animals and the horses and gather some eggs because of the incubator last night. We're going to set that up. So let's go get this done. Oh, we have to check the pastures too. So we're going to check both pastures in the front, move some horses around, and then once that's done, we're going to set up the incubator. So we'll be right back. The dog food and the chicken feed.
I can do the dog food.
No, you can't. It's 50 pounds.
Here's it.
Okay. Go that way. Hold on. Look both ways. That's why I told you to put shoes on. Yep, and get the one on the other side of it.
You're out here? Yeah, we just got out here a few minutes ago. Watch out! Can I come on? Rain, this sucker will punch you if you try and get on. Help me. Help me. Kind of now.
Turn that faucet on.
Push. Okay, Mom, I'll turn the faucet on. Okay?
Love got it.
Oh.
It's still wet. She just gave me this one. Go get some chicken feed. Take it out of gear. Watch out, babies. Ready? Okay, so the chicken feed needs to be refilled. So all you do, pour it in there. I say right about there. I don't like to go any further because it'll overflow on the sides of the bottom bucket. So I'm gonna get the hot water hose. And that is it. Let it sit. It'll be ready for tomorrow. Okay, this is our one egg. Now we're gonna go put it in our little bowl. Really quickly. Because I don't want to forget it. And we're gonna have
Why are you running from me?
6 eggs to put in the incubator.
Hi.
Hello. Okay, back outside we go.
There you go.
Outside is a camera and there's a red button.
I see it. Yeah, I got it. It's recording back again.
Done with one pasture. I hope that shade feels good, Bubba.
You don't have an outro? You just cut your camera off?